let's just see how all of this goes for us. And we are also using a new microphone on my camera. So let's just see how that works out for us. All right, so we're just gonna open some packages really and talk about, I went in and out to get this light and this mic for my camera, and I met my mom at TJ Maxx so we could go over to Best Buy. So I got me a few little headbands. I got this little guy. I got this one. It's like a navy with flowers. It's really cute. And then I got, hold on, I got one more. And all of them are like $4. The way my hair is growing out silly and stuff like that, it's worth it to me. Talia got a new teething toy. That's what you hear going on back there. Oh. Oh. How comfortable. Whoa. Whoa. And then I got this one too. I thought it was really cute, yellow with snake on it. So, yes, some more headbands. And like I said, when you can get them for $4. So I have my mirror here that is like my magnetizing mirror, and it's driving me insane. Insane. Okay, so I got me something from Zulily. It's been so long, I don't even know what I ordered. Not uncommon for me. Cows, is that good? You got your little teething ring? Is that good? She got a Frisbee too. She hasn't picked up on the, like, bring it to me stuff. Alright, so I think this is a maxi dress. It's a mini polka dot, dark gray, and polka dot dress. So I think it's black with gray polka dots. It is a long sleeve, and it feels just scrumptious, but I'll try it on and let you guys see what you think. I also got a package from QVC that I've been waiting for. My post lady left me a nice little note, like, stop using your physical address. You may want to know why that is, because for some reason with QVC, they don't ship to my P.O. box, and if I use my physical address, then it goes wonko crazy. So, there you go. Alrighty. God, I'm so much happier with this light. I don't have a ton of stuff everywhere. Alright, so this is one of the Urban Decay High Shine lip glosses. It is in 1983, I think. Or 1992, something like that. 1993, wow! Let's just put a little bit of that on. I like it. This formula, this lip gloss, this High Shine, it's a lot like Buxom. It has that minty, comfortable finish on your lips. And it's wonderful. It tastes good. All right, let's see what else we have here. No idea. No telling what I bought. No telling what I bought now. I have a video trying to upload for you guys. What is this? It is sometimes I get the weirdest stuff. It is Fenty's Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Retouch Primer. Well, that don't make any sense. And then I got a little sponge with it. I have a Fenty Beauty foundation. It just happens to be in my car. I'll go get it so we can try this. But I thought I was getting... No. I don't know what I thought. Okay, and then I got like a little lippy. It's called Starlit. And in this little packaging, and I think if I remember right, it's a purplish color like this. Oh, well, Susan, that's because it doesn't come off like that. It's more like a lipstick. So that is the color right there. We'll try that out and see what we think. We'll do a little Fenty haul. I don't know what the heck I have around here. This is getting ridiculous. This can go up here. This. Let's see what you are. This is another package from the QVC that is. And it's not gonna work like that. I did find my box cutter, only to have lost it again. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. These are my husband's magazines. I dare not screw with those. And this. Alright, Susan, one package at a time. I'm getting a little overwhelmed with myself. Ooh. This is Mo QVC stuff. Stuff up like this. God bless. Okay. This is the Stay Naked Urban Decay Foundation. I've been wanting to try this. I picked it up in shade 30 warm yellow tones. And then it came with the Urban Decay Pro, I think, foundation brush, because that would only make sense, right? I did good today at what was that store I was at? Oh. TJ Maxx, yeah. So it's like a flat foundation brush. We had a little accident there. Nobody was hurt. It's alright. We're all good. We just I gotta make this thing a little bit more adaptive. Yeah. It's just trying to be difficult. So, yes, so then there's the brush. Pretty sure this is LuLaRoe. It's amazing. I only got one package. What is this? Casquilla. It is a dress, and I think I already have this. I know you guys will be surprised, but I'm going to try both those dresses on, and I will be right